There are complete sources of protein and also non-complete sources of protein. A complete source of protein contains all 9 essential amino acids. Amino acids are what proteins are made up of. So this means that you need to get these essential amino acids from your diet because your body cannot make them. Examples of complete protein sources that you want to get a lot of in your diet include animal meat, eggs, seafood and fish, dairy, quinoa, buckwheat, hemp seed, and soybeans or edamame. An incomplete source of protein means that it's a source of protein, however, it does not contain all essential amino acids in itself. So that means sometimes when you eat those sources of protein, you need to mix the proteins together. So a great example of this would be beans with nuts or seeds, whole grains with beans, or nuts and seeds with whole grains. Any of these 3 combinations of the 2 things would create a complete protein. What are the best meats to buy? Look for the grass-fed labels like the one shown here on your packages. Think that these animals were raised in a pasture eating a lot of grass rather than grain. They also didn't consume a lot of fertilizer or pesticides, and they weren't living in a confined space. Think of this as these animals ate better, so therefore the meat that you're consuming from them is cleaner. You could say that eggs are the best protein you could consume. This is because the egg white contains amino acids. Remember, amino acids are the things that proteins are made out of that are very easy for the human body to break down, and the yolk in the egg has tons of vitamins and minerals. When choosing what eggs to buy, first look for pasture-raised. A second option would be cage-free organic. A third is free-range. Fourth is no hormones added, and fifth and lastly would be the industrial raised. The more natural the egg is, the more vitamins and minerals it contains in the egg yolk. So see the difference in color here. First, pasture raised has the richest color. Second would be cage-free or free range. And third and lastly, with the least amount of color, would be the industrial mass-produced eggs. When looking at what protein powder would be best to buy, first consider whey protein. This is because whey is a complete source of protein and it has the most branched chain amino acids. Second, look at a rice-pea blend of protein. Together, remember rice and pea protein can make a complete source of protein. So when you look at this, pea protein is very low in the essential amino acids cysteine and methionine, and rice has a lot of those, so together they make that complete source of protein. However, rice is very low in the essential amino acid lysine, which pea protein has a lot of. Lastly, you could consider pea protein on its own as your third option. If you liked this video, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media. You can also check out our website. All links to our social media and our website are in the description box.